Hey guys, Chris here. So I started scraping the dovetail here. I'm like 20 passes in. It was touching only here and here at the end. I'm using this straight edge to rub it there. And it was raised here at the end quite a bit from here to here, so I had to scrape only there until I saw blue coming up this way. But I also can feel here there is a difference, and while I'm bluing, it's getting blued only here. So I want to warn you not to do what I did in the past, which was a mistake. I was scraping here and scraping everywhere else where there was blue, and I ended up tilting the angle, because what's happening, let's assume this is the surface I have with a raised portion here. If it's getting blued here and blued here, you will scrape this and scrape here, and slowly you will tilt this plane right like this, right? You will go like this because you will get more and more from this surface, and only here, and at some point you come and touch down here, but you will be slanted at that point in time. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna scrape this area until I feel nothing here. I can feel 1/1000 of an inch difference with my hand. With so much scraping I did that I can feel that. And I can feel it here. I try putting a 1,500 gauge is not getting in, so it's less. I'm sure it's less than 1,000. Just, just a tip when you scrape unknown surfaces. I don't have a way to do it like the way I did on the milling machine table, where I had the datum. This portion here is not straight. It's cast iron, which I covered with 2 parts epoxy steel reinforced, and then I sand it down to be a little bit straight, so the C channel I'm mounting here has a good surface. But here I cannot do the same thing. I don't have a datum plane to measure against and take in, in only the high spots and to the point where I can use the straight edge. Yeah, so that's this tip from me. Thanks.